Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Asre. Bro, dim suro. Bo na ta kan bo go de pa doctor to man da pun bo halma ba To ban ma anta fa so mi bo gon yero zo. Mbrada so nda bora igbe bla. Ka be no bo pore jangla zo orobo. So tenembe mi no o mi no e to a show chang ma te so anu wedding. Ka so bo mi dadal ngo ko kan de na ko pa ga 3 weeks ba. Ka gbin maa zi kama o daa sɔɣimi niŋ ayigbe bili maa wedding church ni n broda maa mi o mi daa ku puhiri o jiŋli fine ka ayigbe maa gba chana sɔri to a mi musulinsi ni laa maa di chaŋya bee to n den sɔhimi ka a che ka n bɔhigi maa pa doctor tuma ka che di muɣisi ma pam n daa pun bɔhili mi n bahi ka so bi ansa li tima salamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله نعم بانسم تنام شلت تمسا چبغزو تو مسلنسي de monte ne تقبع چفر با ولا تنكه المشركات حتى يؤمن نتمر كتقبع بني چفر نما چفر با آيت تقبع للا با فاشي كوت ليبلا مسلمة عندي مسلمة تو للا نيالي كلا كات يل ولا تنكه المشركين حتى يؤمنوا نترزان تبيزان تي ونيا تشفر دو ترزان تبي بونغ تي تشفر ترزان باتي تشفر كبانغ مسلمة كتنزو تي تشفر نالا للا تشفر ما ونالا مسلمة سبوي كاتنا تو زان تي بيزان تو دازو للا كال قرآن يلتي سورة البقرة بونه تو كالي كان سورة المائدة بونه انت مسلم سولة كونتو قاي غني دلو با بغبانيا لا تشفر نماتا ما كان اون يهبان نوزان با بقبع بپلو ني مسلم ني دو كاين قوم pa ko nyala dolo ni la christian o nyala dolo yisa ni la be o nyala yahude ni la dolo musa ni la to bangona mo son sette sole katana to ko la pa ama kale beti sole ka ban do ne to ko muslim pa ay sol karfas daman dundol ma na onda la zayo suratul bakara fone tere kpa chafur pa teme de zan te bi ti chafur do de saha denna endonia kate kana suratul maida fona kate yu sole anti do ko no to kpa ngonye dolo pa ama debe ti sole ne dolo do ngonne to kpa muslim pa ay to so den yasham embalama tama de malla de zalkpana foi ka musulme tiang pae dolo pa de malla zalkpana ho pilgo musulme sana kul pangsla musulme no kwan la musulme pa fadfar bi zati din kul bom la ngonya ngom mala dine musulme sada din ma me don ko nya dine na won sana toron so bom la musulme la ka musulme sana pangsate dan pahadi to wo man so kul bor man wo pa ngonye dolo pa tarongona she karo wo ne pa ma wo nyala ngon bubu ma wo pa musul ma za yola ma wo ka yola o ka basa wo nyala ngon bubu ma male bierson to dan pai she karo nyala do ngoma ngoni ya so pa ma fo comme c'est dans de kpaɣaba ni yɛn chaŋ shɛm di yɛn chaŋ la musulinsi soli zuɣu bin kpaɣari paɣa shɛm lala soli ni ka di yɛn doli ka bi lo amiliya maa din pahi ka doo maa mali yiko paɣa maa zuɣu n mali control o zuɣu ka di pala paɣa ŋɔ yɛn control yiri doo maa shee ka doo ŋɔ dihi tabili ni ŋuni yɛn control yiri paɣa maa din pahi she ka do ma de tawle ne be ma ngone yan suba fo comme se ngon do ngon yan suba fo comme se be nyala muslim be kana be son son be nyala muslim be do ngon yan suba fo comme se zamba na muslim sene zamba en chan jangla ne to ngona ba za ha yi pale to ngona na muslim ne to pa dolo pa ama akpɔrɔ dolo pa ka me gbara no be gbobo manga be aka wo kontro ngone yansu a yella kam net nanda ngone borsam be yekana gba ngone yansu be ma fo concern na zamba chan church kanya ka nandale dongona haram nyel na kpɔla la pa sama tanazan muslim pa musulme ko nye pa kata zona tati ngonya dolo do don kul canvas musulme sakul molame domen do bi hago puna don to male control pazo kana to son boble o bi hago ne dan zo de mel tahma do ngona pare dolo pa ngoma so habiane wanto zon na musulman sene wanto zon pa ma na musulman sene ta ma ti zon musulman pa zon te do do to da bien so habiane wanto zon chan church ne be ma mi ha ben yan dar ma church be ko yan dar ma to dan zo ka musulman se bete sole netana zon ta bi fonga zon ta ba ayi so kane amata network pa be fonga de metamal tahmatan to zon na musulman sana dan pa be ma yina be nyala musulman be na on ban sante na on chete tam sa chugo za assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah to don so don wonora pa ale be pa ma di nyala ora nyala dolo pa don wana musulman se te sole ama she ka be lole musulman se lobo be ndola mre ma musulman se lobo ko na lebo pa amadi ko nyala church ne ka chanta na ben ya na no se sha ai o ko to lebo pa ta zo den na za she kara le da zo nyanya wula ka brale zon to wula kar da dole so dana musulman da biene an lole musulman da biene di shahra she kala lama danan bien poi amadi ko pa musulman ma kar ko nyala ban dolo ne manda ko le ambiar puna zon to lala don ai ko pambala ta dan pa kanya zan pali to amanyala hal ndiri pa dolo pa kar ko le musulman sallama di pala wana la tuba an liab musulme do ma yekane o be dere do ma fale do ma yekane o be dere do ma fale do ma wa pa musulme ndiri pa musulme o be dere musulme fale ta na wana bansum te na chete tam so chugazo wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Mrs. Zainab Mwachuku, were you aware that your husband was a Christian before he proposed to you?
I was aware, and it was not a problem to me.
You have 3 kids already, and your marriage is 10 years old, right?
Yes.
So why has your husband's religion suddenly become a problem after 10 years of marriage with 3 kids?
You were wrong when you said my husband's religion suddenly turned a problem to me.
Please quote me right.
I filed for divorce because my husband was forcing me to go to church and has turned 2 of my kids against me.
What was the agreement you had with your husband before he got married to you?
The only agreement I had with my husband was love and understanding. We love each other and vowed never to allow our religion to stop our marriage.
Apart from a court marriage, what other marriage did you do with your husband?
We had a Christian marriage.
A Christian marriage? In a church?
Yes.
Were you forced to do so?
No, I wasn't. I accepted it because I needed to get married and also to make him happy.
You accepted to marry him because you loved your husband, which means you actually tricked him to marry you.
That wasn't what I mean.
Mr. Lucky Mwachuku,
Let me ask you the same question my learned colleague asked your wife. Were you not aware your wife was a Muslim before you got married?
I was aware.
And you promised never to allow our religion be a problem to you.
Well, I did. But this time around, I'm not comfortable with it anymore.
Mr. Lucky Wanchuku, what you're doing is absolutely wrong. You tricked this young lady and their parents by telling them our religion won't bring a misunderstanding between you. They gave you their blessings and even supported you financially.
Point of correction. My in-laws never supported me financially. Please.
Who bought the car you're driving?
The car I am driving does not have anything to do with the matter on ground.
It has absolutely everything to do with it. If you love your wife, you won't let this religious issue come between you. An issue you both sorted out before you got married.
Don't I have the right to tell my wife what I want and what I don't want?
Not in the manner you are going about it.
I have never approached this issue with the wrong manner. I have never.
What was the last action you took? I mean, the action you took before your wife filed the divorce.
Action? I can't remember, please.
I will remind you. On several occasions, you threatened to separate from your wife if she doesn't go to church with you. Last month, on 17th of July to be precise, you dragged her and drove to your church against her will.
I beg your pardon. I did not drag her into my car. She willingly entered the car and followed me to church.
Mr. Lucky Wanchuku, I want to congratulate you for achieving your aim. I want to congratulate you for succeeding in using my client to get to our brother's world.
Mrs. Zainab Wanchuku, apart from religion, do you believe that a man is the head of a home?
Yes. Even my religion supports the man being the head of the family.
Good. And you believe that a woman should be submissive to her husband as the head of the home?
To an extent. I cannot submit when it will lead me to total destruction.
Are you saying a Christian way of life leads to destruction?
I have not said so. I would not have married my husband if I believe that Christianity will lead to total destruction. I appreciate his religion, but I cannot force myself into it. I was born a Muslim, and I don't intend to change it. So forcing me out of it is leading me to destruction.
Before you got married to your husband, what was your agreement with him? You agreed to leave your Muslim religion and join him in Christianity.
I never gave him 100% assurance.
But you accepted to join him in Christianity. You even wedded in the church. Did you or did you not?
Yes, I did. But I still have a right to change my mind. Besides, Lucky promised me that we never allow religious issues to come between us.
He made the promises based on your acceptance to join his religion.
Honestly, Lucky is unreasonable here. Why must the foundation of our marriage be based on religious issues, not love?
But you can't deny the fact that your husband loves you.
We wouldn't be here if he loves me.
You filed for a divorce. He never did.
He was the one that told me to go ahead if I'm not comfortable with his religion.
Mrs. Zainab Wanchuku, are you trying to tell this honorable court that you value your religion more than your marriage?
I value my marriage. I also value my religion. I can give up anything, but I can never give up my religion.
Meaning you are willing to give up your marriage for your religion? So you're no longer interested in the marriage?
I'm interested in my marriage because I love my husband. But he may end up destroying our marriage if he keeps on discouraging me from my religion. He never married me because I'm a Muslim. He married me because he loves me. I never accepted him because he's a Christian. What attracted me to him is love. So religion should not be something he should worry about, so that we don't destroy this marriage.
What do you really know about?
To la ne le hak pan jango ami aktan balabe de ko nyala yelmale to ente hadena nangban pene do men pasun sune ko tune karago kadama do ngoma wa pa ambonga ka pa ma nye musulun pa ka do ma nye dolo yisanira to karago ne brakul zang la badadi ngon bale ka zang la yorlan ba to ne an bo taba an kpa taba hal ta do bi ha tabe oi to te perso bo go kan wel labsele ne labse shelma dana kul chen la pa ngo ma sane do he no ba mi o da di ne ngon pa ma won kule fuhre wa da di ne ngon ngon bublo da di ne wo ko zon wa da di ne ta ben shao ai o ba mi o da di ne ma bi we mi le a do ngo wo be dol de zal pana won ya no ko zon wa da di ne ta ben shama ai dan shel won kul do ngo ma kar wo kama ngon pon zon wa da di ne en ta di la do ngo ma dan zo sol kane na muslim pa wo kule ngon pa muslime har wenya dolo do ay sol kane de dondol ma na on kul parlame sol kane dan zo la amriya de kane la pa de kane de nyala haramu dan zo o men la do e biene zina ne ka bakul biama de wona la do ma ngon da dina ma sato lala to ma nyem pango nyem musul sungo de ba sata lala o ko to le ba yi dan zungo o ko to de ay dan biane e bora yen do ambe pia o ko nyala haram zanta zina ke nan dama da zo ni ri pela yelle ne ka ba mi ay to ban tala hanyel bana wolge ka che do ma amro ko to lambiane shi o de la musulanse de pa man garba ma inda fo yorlam ka kwa tab ka yel ni yen zang la adina won yela en baale ka ko bu taba ne yorlam ma anyo yorlam ma da nama abanye wasablam ne she ka lebe dolo pa di palala ay ngon lan ngon blam bor la bia ho ngoma amro sonsone o ko to gbo soko o pa de chenera leva cheche nene ta wada dina te pashama ngoni ko tama ne dena kulnya dina mangle de zo pa ma ne pa ngon chen cheche ma de bio sa wo mo ko to lambiane ay yurla ma dena na ma yurla ma de nar ma ho ama dile na ma kezan nambo zubo ne wontia ngbo taba kazan soro ngbo taba tama yorlo mandaya ko nye kamane ay oblam bora oborno ko la soda bamna kayane she kache amosolsma ka lebe dolo yisanira kam yana ko to en leble naam ay leble ngona woy donc adi jahme zama dana ko na tala hagba na zan ada dina tuntuma ka walge amno jima do worom mazon do worom mabiane taranzo behma bana arfon chante pe yelana ha pa idan pambala denzo embe tan shema lo no kuliande endisari ma sham yen yele bien di hala behma ta bien di hala behma zante doma to de biala tan ban ma ngon zal panani chang shamne to na on zom tan ba na on che ka tambal bat da dini na on gumte ka che dunya yuam ka gote ka che shaytane na biare wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh